Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my windowsill. I'm going to show you my citrus collection. Yeah, alright, okay, I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so this is my windowsill in the kitchen windowsill. So these are all these are citrus, calamondin. So okay, and lemon. So we'll start with this, look, there's a fruit. So this is calamondin, so there as well. This is calamondin, and there's tiny there. This is the one that's just finished the harvesting. So this one was the one that just finished harvesting a month ago, so now got more fruit. Okay, so the next one is this. So there's still lots in here. So this is called Oriana Calamondin. So this is a lot as well. So look at that. Isn't that amazing, guys? There. So there's green, still green here. So needs to harvest as well. Okay, so the next one is the lemon. So this is lemon. You remember, guys, the one that I videoed before? There's lots of flowers. Most of the flowers fall down. I don't know why. And there's only one that's left, so that's one. Only one. So this is, it just says citrus collection. So it's a lemon. And it's very sour, guys, I'm telling you. It's so sour. And the next one is this. This is calamondin as well. But you see, guys, this fruit is bigger in compared to this. So this is like okay, so let's measure it. So it's only these measurements. And this one is, look, it's like half as big as the other one. It's so cute. And there I put this stick because the branch is so is breaking, it's bending, so I put this to support the weight. And there's some more because it's only me, guys, who's eating this calamondin, so I got more than enough. So there's a dry leaf in here, so there's some more in there, guys. Look, isn't that amazing? More coming, more ripening. Okay, so this one is the one that I harvested, but I don't know why there's no flowers yet, so let's wait and see. So this is citrus. It says citrus as well. This is calamondin. This is calamondin. Yeah, calamondin orange. So this is citrus calamondin. They are the same, but this one is hybrid. Amazing. I love my windowsill. This, I always put something on my windowsill. Sometimes I put herbs here as well. So it's so handy when I'm cooking. So this one, every time I eat, so I just pick one and that's it. One is enough. One is enough for this big one, and this one too is enough. It's so nice, guys. I just wanted to show you. And then and then next time I'm going to harvest, then I will show you again. Okay guys, so this is the video for today. This citrus growing in the kitchen windowsill. Amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.